We did get started a couple days ago. We thought we could get going a little bit earlier than we did. I think the smoke actually slowed the rice down in ripening and finishing off just by hiding some of the heat and the sunlight in the last couple days. But so far so good. We've been going for a couple days full speed. We're about on time, or a normal quote-unquote year is usually when we start, about mid-September. Definitely earlier than the past couple years. We're seeing the benefits of a nice, clean, warm spring where we had time to get all the groundwork we wanted to get done for a change, and the crop's showing the benefits of that.